Hello and welcome! In today's video we're going to have a look at the Røde Wireless GO. This is a wireless microphone system that pairs perfectly with the Røde SmartLAV. And we also have some accessories, an adapter and a cable here, so that we are able to connect it to our iPhone. So here we have the three boxes we are going to have a look at today. We are going to save these two small ones to when we need them. So I'll just put them to the side. And we will start with the Røde Wireless GO. Just a first look at the box. We see we have a transmitter and a receiver, I think. We also have some information here. Ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone and digital transmission in 2.4 GHz. We also have a photo here with a woman. She has the microphone or the transmitter part here, and she also has a receiver part on the camera. Okay, and here we have some text. You can pause if you want to read. But here's what is in the box. We have the receiver and transmitter. We have some fur windshields. Two USB Type-C cables, nice, an SC cable and a pouch. That's great. Nice to see that they include a pouch so we can keep all our stuff inside the pouch. Yeah, we also see that it passed QA, so that's great. We also have a tape here that we have to cut. Okay, I can try pull it out. Okay, step one complete. And we have to tear here. Do we have to? Okay. Okay, so the first thing we see is the pouch, and it feels there's something inside, so I guess the transmitter and receiver are inside. And here we have the USB Type-C charging cable. It's Type-C in one end and Type-A in the other end. And we also have this Røde Velcro strap around it. Yeah, an identical cable here. And here we have the fur part. So this looks quite a lot like the one we have on our lav mic, but this one is fastened by another part here. So that's cool. Okay, so we have this and this. So this one is the cable that goes between the receiver and your recording device, even if it's a phone or a camera or whatever. But yeah, so this is just the TRS cables. That means that it has three parts separated by these black lines. But I will talk more about that later. We have a quick start guide. Folds out. Okay, I will look at that later. And we have regulatory and safety, and some do not eat. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so the pouch feels great, has some padding to it, also has the Røde logo. Enclosed by Velcro, that's nice. And inside we can see the receiver and transmitter. What do we get first? I will guess that this is the transmitter part. Maybe. I will take out the other one so we maybe see a difference. Okay, so one of them has a screen in the front and one of them don't. Okay, so I think this is the, wait, yeah, this is the transmitter part. So this is the built-in microphone, and we also have, I can take it the other way, the microphone icon here, so we can put in our own microphone. We have battery indicator and a link. I think this is so that it says that it is connected to the receiver part. The Type-C charging port. The Ö button. That's a nice click. I guess that's the power on button, maybe. Nothing on this side. We also have the clip here. And this part here is like a silicone part. So that's nice. And yeah, let's peel it. Oh, nice. Shiny. Okay. And the receiver part. It also has the same Ö button. The same click, I think. Yeah. So this is the out. The microphone out. So we can connect this to your phone or a camera or whatever. We also have the Type-C charging port. And two buttons here. dB, that's a decibel, I guess. And we also have a link button. So that's maybe to link them together. We have the peel here also. Looks great. Okay, so that's everything in the box. We have two of these, two of the cables, and the connection cable here. Okay, so let's try to power them on. We will start with the receiver part. That's the one with the screen in the middle here. And this is the on button. So we just press this. Okay, wireless go. Okay. So it's on. We can see that it has a battery. It says RX. So that stands for the receiver. And you can see that it is searching. Okay, I don't know why that's the sunshine icon. Maybe it's in daylight. I don't know. Okay, and then we power on the transmitter. Okay, it lights up. Oh, cool. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see the battery power on the receiver and the transmitter, and we can also see the volume that I'm speaking in. So I'm maybe, I don't know, 50 centimeters from this microphone right now, and it maxes out a lot. So I don't know if that's even worse. Okay, so now, hello. Okay, so it goes up to red, so that's great. So maybe it's some kind of auto adjustments in this. I don't know if you can see it closer now. Yeah, it's the max. It puts a line there at the maximum. So if I put this really close to my mouth, well, we see a lot of the red part. Okay. Now that we have powered on our transmitter and receiver, we will have a look at the other boxes I showed you earlier. So let's start. This is the SC3. It's on TRRS to TRS adapter. So since we use an iPhone, the iPhone uses this adapter, and it supports the TRRS standard. That means that the end here has 4 parts. As you can see, this is a SmartLAV Plus, and we can see it has 4 sections here separated by these black parts, and these have 3. So this is TRRS and this is TRS, and the microphone port here supports the TRS. So to use this SmartLAV Plus, we have to have this adapter. That's a lot of box just for a small adapter, but okay, so here it is. It's quite short, but that's great for an adapter. So this will plug in to the transceiver end. I wonder if something happened when I connect just the adapter. So now it went, you can see that it went quiet. That's because it now thinks that it has a microphone connected and it has disconnected the built-in one. Okay, so let's find our SmartLAV Plus and connect it. And I will now speak into this one. So we can see on the receiver end that it works. Okay, that's so cool. And the other box I showed you, the SC7. So this is the other way, TRS to TRRS patch cable. So this is so we are able to connect the receiver end into our iPhone, because the output here is again TRS and our iPhone takes TRRS. On some of the Android phones I know that they support both standards, so you don't have to have the extra cables, you can just have the included TRS cable, but you should check on the internet before buying this if you need the TRRS conversion or not. So I will cut this open again. I know it's convenient for them because this plastic part breaks out to this, like when you can hang it up in a store and something. But it's scary to open because this is hard plastic, not, I don't know, this is a kind of hard plastic, not the soft, just sticker type. But if you're just careful with a knife or maybe a scissor, it won't be a problem, but just be careful, as always. Okay. I will unpack this so we can okay, so this is the included one with the TRRS in both ends. You can see this one is gray in one end. That is the TRRS. So now I want to try to connect the receiver end. And I will put the microphone, the transmitter part on me with the SmartLAV, and I will connect the receiver end to my phone. So now I have connected the Røde SmartLAV Plus into the transmitter part of the Wireless Go. And as we can see on the receiver, well, when I'm speaking, you can see it here. So that's great for the camera person, for example, to monitor that you are actually recording with sound. And it is wirelessly, because in earlier videos we have used just another phone in a pocket and we recorded the sound directly to it and then transferred back and forth. But here we get the sound right in the video. That is great. I wonder how the sound quality is. I'll just have to check that before I get to the conclusion of this video. So, the Røde Wireless GO. I'm really impressed by how easy it was to set up. I just powered it on and it connected to each other right away. And it seems like all my accessories, the adapter cable here with the Røde SmartLAV Plus connected to it, works. I could see it on the receiver part that it's recording my voice right now. And it was just so easy and I love that. Just power them on and you go. Plug it and play. I looked at the footage that I did earlier with this connected, and as far as I can tell, the sound quality was exactly the same. So can't be better than that, huh? I will, of course, make a review video of this after I have tested it some more. I want to try it outside and maybe see how far the transmitter can be from the receiver. I think they advertised it being about 200 meters, so we'll have to see. And it will also be interesting to test the built-in microphone in this, with or without the furry wind stopper here, to the Røde SmartLAV Plus. But I think this is a lot more stealthy. I can hide this beneath a collar or something. This, well, it's a box that I have to have somewhere around here, and that's not easy to to hide away. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested, we also have a review of the Røde NT-USB microphone, which is like a big brother to, well, both the SmartLAV Plus and also these ones. So I will leave you a link in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on the full review of the Wireless GO system. And yeah, have a good one.